Hi, it's Quentin here from Honeycombes Innisfail, just with another one of our new products. This is the Challenge G30 rear grader blade, and now we'll go through the specifications. The main boom structure is designed to handle the large horsepower of today's tractors, and as you see, you come back this way and it's a category 3 hitch, and you will need 3 remotes for the controls, so you'll have a tilt, adjust and height. As you come along, you'll see you've got 2 safety stands, so when you finish at the end of the day, you've got the safety stands here to pack her away. The rear blade at the back here, the blade's made of 8mm steel, so nice and thick and strong, and you've got large tyres accordingly for it at the back there.